Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can pay for Netflix using Gcash, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm using my browser version. You can use whichever version you want. It's pretty much the same process. However, one thing you need to take note of is that Gcash is only available in certain countries, so if it's not available to you, you should use a VPN if you want to use it as a payment method. Now, what you need to do is just create an account. Let me just choose an email, then go ahead and enter the password. And once you create your account, you click next, and then you choose your plan. I'll just choose the standard one. And here you'll see your methods of payment. Now, as you can see, in my country, I only have credit or debit. If you're, I'm pretty sure, in India and Pakistan and maybe even Bangladesh, you might be able to use Gcash. So you will have an option here for a UPI, and under UPIs, you will find Google Pay and Gcash as well. So you can use whatever you want. But pretty much it should appear over here below credit or debit cards. Again, if it doesn't appear for you, you should change your location through a VPN to something that actually supports Gcash, and then you just pick that as a method, enter your credentials, and then you're pretty much good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.